Hello friends, welcome you all. Today I'm going to explain you the time deposits and its features and benefits. In the previous lecture, I had explained you the types of account, and in that we have discussed the demand deposits and its features and its benefits. So today the main concern of this lecture is to discuss time deposits and its features. So these are the types of account. In that we have seen the demand deposits. Under demand deposits we have two separate account, two type of deposit, that is saving account and current account. In the second column time deposit is there, and time under the time deposit there are two accounts, that is fixed account and recurring account. So today we are going to discuss only fixed account. So let us discuss what is the first time deposit, and then what is fixed deposit or account. So time deposit is an interest bearing account that has a preset date of maturity. Means the time deposit means the deposit we have to keep for the preset date of maturity, or pre-set of time period. That is, suppose we want to keep deposit for the 1 year. So before keeping your amount in that particular account, you can set your time period. So that is called preset date of maturity, or you can set a date. The money must remain in the account for the fixed term in order to earn the stated interest rate. So the money deposited by you should be uh, till that date, or for the fixed term, that is you have decided, so that you can earn stated interest on that particular amount. Time deposits generally pay a slightly higher rate of interest than a regular or saving account. So the longer the term to maturity, the higher the interest payment will be. So another name for this type of investment is term deposit also. So the interest rate on these time deposit are higher than saving and demand deposits, and that is current account and saving accounts have lower interest rate compared to time deposit or time account. Then here in the nutshell we can mention here, a time deposit is an interest bearing bank account that has a date of maturity. The money in a time deposit must be held for the fixed term to receive the interest in full. Otherwise you will not receive interest full if if you do not keep till the maturity. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate that the depositor receives. Time deposit are an extremely safe investment, but they have a low rate of return compared to other investment vehicles, that is mutual fund or in the stock market. So they can pay you higher return compared to fixed deposits, or say the debt instrument, they can pay you higher interest rate compared to fixed deposit or time deposits. Penalty on early withdrawals: if you withdraw a deposit earlier than the term decided, you have to pay penalty, or you will not get the interest rate that is decided on that particular amount. The owner of the time deposit can withdraw the money out if necessary, but will lose some or all of the promised interest and may pay penalty fees. The terms are in the fine print that the saver receives when opening the account. The term which is decided at the opening of the account. So till that term or till that date, you cannot withdraw your deposit. If you withdraw, then you have to lose some interest promised by bank, or you have to pay penalty. So under the time deposit, there are two types we have seen, that is fixed deposit and recurring deposit. So under the time deposit, the first type we are going to discuss, that is fixed deposit. So what is fixed deposit? As an investment instrument offered by bank or NBFCs, that is non-banking financial companies. So fixed deposit is a great way to grow your saving with utmost safety. So it is one of the most preferred avenue that enables you to deposit a lump sum amount with your financer or bank and choose a tenure as per your convenience. So fixed deposit is kept for fixed time period, and it is the safest way to earn money, or you can earn higher interest rate than current account and saving account. So it is the convenience and most popular way to keep your money into fixed deposit account and earn fixed rate of earning or interest rate, and whatever the market fluctuation, you get your return as promised by bank. On completion of the pre-decided tenure or time period, your deposit starts earning an interest throughout the chosen duration as per the interest rate at which you locked in your deposit. So that higher the time period, you will get higher the interest rate in fixed deposit. So it is a instrument offered by bank or product offered by bank or NBFCs. Non-banking financial companies also can keep the fixed deposit account. They cannot keep current account and saving account. So fixed accounts NBFCs also can offer, and they have a great way of growing savings and with utmost safety. Once the investment of investor amount has been locked in a specific interest rate, it remains unaffected by further changes in the interest rate or market fluctuation. That is, if the interest rate is decided on your deposit is fixed, then whatever the changes happen because of RBI monetary policy or any other things, or due to market fluctuation, your earnings is unaffected by further changes in interest rate, because there are two options you get, that is the according to your interest rate gets according to market fluctuation and fixed interest rate. So you have to choose which one you want. Thus you can get guaranteed return on your deposit. So the depositors, fixed depositor gets guaranteed return, and the depositors can choose to get your interest on a periodic basis or at a maturity. So you can get the interest rate at uh, periodically, means monthly, bi-monthly or quarterly, or after the maturity. You can choose that. Usually the defining criteria for fixed deposit is that the money cannot be withdrawn before maturity, but the condition is fixed, that is you cannot withdraw your amount or money before maturity or before completing your time period. uh, you may withdraw them after paying a penalty, or you have to pay penalty. What are the features of fixed deposit? The amount can be deposited only once, one time amount you have to deposit. Any additional deposit have to be made in a separate account. So you cannot deposit in the fixed deposit the amount regularly. You have to deposit at a one time. The interest rate, the rate of interest is higher than the saving account. The time period or duration is from 7 day to 10 years, and above 10 years you can put your fixed deposit. So fixed deposit can be renewed without any hassle. So you can renew it without any hindrances or hassles. Withdrawals can be made before the maturity period. In case of an emergency withdrawal, a penalty has to be paid by the customers. If you want to withdraw your fund, you have emergency of fund, then you have to pay penalty. The return on your deposit are assured and remain unaffected by market fluctuation. Fixed deposit interest rate offered by NBFCs are higher than fixed deposit rates offered by banks. Generally, NBFCs pays higher interest rate compared to banks. Fixed deposits can be easily renewed, and you can also get the additional rate of benefit on renewing your deposit. So you can easily renew it, and you can get the higher interest rate benefits. Tax is deducted at source from interest on fixed deposit as applicable as per the Income Tax Act 1961. You have to pay, suppose your interest is going more than 10,000, then you have to pay tax according to Income Tax Act 1961 provisions. Longer term earn higher interest, we have discussed it. Typically, the longer the term to maturity, the higher the rate of interest paid to the depositor. So higher the longer the term, and the higher the interest rate. Because why this? Because bank can lend that much money to the those who want to take the loans. Bank can offer them loans or advance them loans for the longer period, and bank also get the higher interest rate on that. So that longer the term, bank can use this money to investment in longer term assets, or it can advance longer term loans. So that's why the bank offer higher interest rate for longer term deposits, or longer term fixed deposits. Then what are the benefits of fixed deposits? There are a lot of advantages or benefits. That is, first is guaranteed return. One of the main thing to invest in fixed deposit is that it assures return. This means zero risk is associated with this account compared to other form of investment like mutual fund or stock market. So on maturity, a fixed rate of interest rate will be paid on the investment amount. Second benefit is easy to open a fixed deposit account. So you can open an fixed deposit account in a matter of a few minutes. You can either apply for it online or walk into your nearest bank and open it. So it is easy to open fixed deposit account. Higher rate of interest. Fixed deposits enable customers to earn a higher rate of interest as compared to their saving account or any other form of term deposits. So next benefits are flexible tenure. You can choose to open fixed account for a period of 7 day to 10 years. So you have a flexible tenure. You can choose what time period you want for your deposit, or you can choose the maturity date for your fixed deposit account. Then multiple FD accounts. You can hold more than one FD account, that is fixed deposit account, at a given point of time. So you can open many multiple fixed deposit account. When you want to make an additional investment, you can always open a new FD account. Then tax benefits are there. You can claim for a tax exemption under section 80C of the Income Tax Act of India for sum of up to rupees 1,50,000. So till 1,50,000 you can get the benefit on investment in fixed deposit account under section 80C Income Tax Act of India. Other benefits are fixed deposit, one of the safest investment instrument which offer highest stability in your return. So you get a fixed interest rate whatever happened to the market. Returns on fixed deposit are assured and there is no risk of loss of principal. So return is assured. There is no risk of loss of principal. You can opt for periodic interest payouts to help you manage your monthly expenses. You can choose the option that is periodically, means suppose you want to get the interest rate monthly, so bank will pay you monthly. You want at a quarterly, so they will pay you quarterly. So you can choose the option that periodic interest payouts. There is no effect of market fluctuations on your fixed deposit, which ensures greater safety of your investment and your capital. So there is no effect of market fluctuation on your fixed deposit. The market fluctuation effect is on other investment avenues like stock market investment, mutual fund investment, and other investment avenues also. Some financiers or bank also offer higher fixed deposit interest rate for senior citizens. So there are special provisions, that is higher interest rate paid for the senior citizens and women's also. So there is the special provision can get on the fixed deposit account. So friends, that much in this today's lecture. In the next lecture we are going to discuss the what is the recurring account. That is, it is a type of time deposit. Recurring account we are going to discuss, and its features and its benefits. So that much in this today's lecture. Thank you for listening, and write your queries question to me, and write your name and roll number in the comment box. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.